watching, welcome back to my channel. It's been a fat minute. I've missed this. I feel awkward about the camera. Yeah, I've been super busy for the last like God knows how long, so I haven't posted a video in a while. So I'm fiddling with my hair. I'm back. Yeah, for today's video I'm just gonna do a thrift list. Let's get on to the video, I guess. Feel free to subscribe, like the video if you want, share it with your friends and family, share it with your grandma. Cool, see you. I know what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing these really long wet shorts and then pink and then pink. So yeah, it's just this cute midi skirt that I'm starting with. It's obviously massive. I'm just gonna take it in and sew it down the way. This will be super easy to do, so this won't take up that much of the video. But I'm also going to turn the excess material into a top.
Wow. A
matching top, so for a cute little kind of top yet. I don't know if I just want to do a tube top or a little tank top, or if I want to make it more funky. You know, you get the idea. Also, ignore this angle. It's just the easiest because I can do stuff on the floor. I'm going to quickly try it on now. I'm not going to get changed in front of the camera for obvious reasons. Yeah, the skirt, I bought it from the British Heart Foundation, but it's originally from M&Co. So, in case you were wondering, which you probably were not, but I just think it's a cute pattern. It's pink. Nothing else I can really say about it, but yeah, I'm going to put in a video of me. Here's me in the skirt right now. Whoa, how cool, isn't that cool? Oh, look at that twirl. Sorry for the weird angle and the weird view. Put the top inside out. It's really hard with this jumper because I'm having to lift it up. Wait, 2 seconds. Wow. You've been struck by a smooth. So yeah, I've just put it inside out. Barefoot. That was gross. I don't know why I don't have socks on. It's because I was wearing slippers as well. I didn't have socks on. But leave me alone. Shut up. Stop judging me. I'm speaking to myself. Yeah, I'm just gonna then pull it to where it needs adjusted to, so that I know how much to take off. The waistband's stretchy. I thought it had a zip, so I was gonna take it off each side, but just to save loads of time, I'm just gonna put it to the back, mark where I need, mark it so that these 2 front seams are both even on both sides. No, I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense. I'm gonna grab some pins. I'm gonna grab a pin and I'm gonna move it round to the front because let's not stab myself in the butt cheek today. Why do I say things? I'm just gonna pin exactly where I'd want it. Pop, I'm so low down. Hello from the other side.
Dal, is that you?
I'm gonna bring you further down. Okay. This is a really bad angle. Now, Tanya's just gonna lie it out. And obviously I have where I want it sewn. Pinned, so we can see how this goes. I'm just going to sketch a line to match the same angle of the skirt line so that it doesn't go all willy wonky. I am... Tanya, stop being so repetitive. I'm so sorry. I'm just blah 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 blah. I'm really sorry about the angle, but we're going to have to make do. I hope you like these shorts that look like a 12-year-old boy. Maybe like 10 or 12, not now. I'm going to find it, so I'll be back in a sec. Find a white pencil, but instead I have a One Direction pencil, which, let's be honest, is far better. So yeah, I am just gonna go from where this line is. I'm gonna freehand it first, and then when I put in the pins, I'm gonna make it like straight with a ruler, just so that this is actually neat and I don't rush it just because I'm like, you know, I'm quite like a rushy person. This be the thumbnail.
Honestly, this kind of feels like a fever dream. I don't really know what's happening here. I'm watching this footage and thinking that I'm a weirdo. Just ignore it, it goes on for ages.
Okay, what are you doing, Daniel? Yeah, I'm just gonna pin it in. Where are the pins? I want to make it extremely clear that I do not support Trump. I just find the pins funny because they just... Find someone great, but don't find no one better. I know you're happy, but don't be happier. I'm gonna get a long piece of paper, line it up to where I want the line to be, so that it's straight. Tanya, why are you so chaotic? It doesn't need to be this complicated. Tanya's just making it complicated for herself. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of this off camera so there isn't 400 bits of footage to take out. So yeah, here we go.
Ooh, fun. Look at me pinning the fabric. Whoa. Whoa. Enjoy!
I'd like to make a wee disclaimer. Don't mind me doing the entire video. I look like trash, but that's okay. I wasn't gonna post it literally for that reason, and then I was like, that's the most stupid thing ever, Tanya. So yeah, don't judge me. Enjoy the video. Okay, so yeah, it's a few days later and I'm just continuing. So here's my sewing machine. She's my bestie. Tell me she my bestie, she my bestie. Yeah, I'm just gonna unthread this bobbin because there's not a lot of thread in it. I would cut it off, but that's always more messy than I want. Oh no, I've dropped it. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I have to show it while speaking. Could we voiceover? Oh, voiceover Tanya, QN.
Hi, I guess.
You know, one thing that should be helpful is to bloody plug in my sewing machine.
Clear, the bathroom's free! Thanks, Emma! Oh no! Emma! The condensation! Oh no! Clear!
Just gonna thread the bobbin. Okay, there's the bobbin. Slow and steady wins the race. Do you want me to show you me threading my sewing machine? Okay, so that's the thread. I'm just gonna pull it round so that it goes into this little latch. Pull it down, round, up, through, and then you just hook it into the little, I don't even know all the terminology, I'm not gonna lie to you. And then you just thread it through the needle, and then I like push it to the left with my finger so I can pull it. Yeah, and then pull it through, and then I'm just gonna pull it through. There we go. Now it's caught on thread. Good job. That's me threading it. I don't know if that was like, this isn't a tutorial. This is just a thread flip. I'm just gonna sew straight down where I have guided it to.
No, I did stick a pin through my toe once. Fun facts.
So I've just flipped it inside out and tried it on. It takes a wee shimmy to get over the Glutrons Maximus. It fits really well. Wait, stop! Okay, show my mum though. My mum's on a work call. I'm going to my living room. It's so cute. I'm absolutely in love. I was a bit panicky as I tried to pull it over my glutes because I was like, oh god, not stretchy enough. It's all worked out. Back on the floor to turn it back inside out so I can cut off the excess fabric and we can start making the top. Ignore the outfit today. I'm just wearing something like comfy-ish to stay in the house for. Yeah, that was dangerous. I left some pins in as I tried that on. I could have easily got stabbed again.
Yeah, this one again.
Absolutely loving this so far. I'm feeling super productive today. So far, another pin. Okay, so far, I've taken my dog out for a walk.
Wow.
I have filmed a get ready with me.
Wow.
Now 12:28. This is a super productive day for me. Usually I lie in bed and either watch New Girl, Grey's Anatomy, or a Marvel movie. Yeah, here we have our spare fabric to make a top out of. And now we have my skirt. So now we have a skirt. Now we have a midi skirt. But I just want to see it on myself. I know what I'm gonna make. I'm in the corner watching you kiss the blue. Wow, wow, wow. What's great about my bedroom floor is that there are pins absolutely everywhere. Ready to stab my toe. I'm just marking the shape out with pins to begin with before drawing on the fabric with white pencil, if I can find it again. I'm just measuring out from the bottom to the top the exact length that I want it. This is without seam allowance. Look at Tanya with the terminology. Wow. But I'm in the corner. I'm not even showing you what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna cut straight along.
Well, are we? Look at that. Cutting a fabric, I guess. So impressive. Oh, I Oh my god, she's still going, wow.
Okay, the hem is super easy to do, so I might just do that off camera and I'll be back in a minute. Hey, bestie. Me being the awful YouTuber vlogger that I am, I forgot to film the rest of me making the top. But all I did was hem the sides and add a loop through this bit. Loop ribbon round. I couldn't be bothered to make straps, didn't have enough fabric for it. So I've got ribbon instead, but I want to get some white straps. And we have a top.
Wow.
If I'm completely honest with you, I can't be bothered to put it on today because it's kind of effort. But here are some videos of the final product. Cue them, Pachinga.
I just tried to go and take some clips of the top and skirt down at this little shared courtyard, and someone was singing and said, "Who's that? Who's that?" So I got really scared and ran away because, yeah, I think you can guess why. So I hope you enjoy the clips of the thing,
What's that?
Ooh, cool bathroom pics. Ooh, 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 point. Wow, sunshine. Ooh, hands on hips. Hi. Ooh, twerking. No. What am I doing? Yes. Who? Yeah, pull up the door. Do, hair flick. I don't know what to say. Hey, she's moving the camera. Tanya's moving the camera. Ooh, hi, close up. Ooh, different angle, walking towards it, towards the camera. Ooh, wait, ooh, fast walk, catwalk. Ooh, hands on hips.
And yeah, a final thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are amazing if you made it to this point. I love you. Mwah. Yeah, see you guys later. Love you.